Hello everybody, welcome to at NEET Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to see an MCQ in nature of physical world and measurement. Okay, what is the question, sir? Let us look into the question. The quantities which have the same dimensions as that of solid angle are what? This question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2024. As usual, you are given 4 options. Number 1, strain and angle. 2, stress and angle. 3, strain and arc. Number 4, angular speed and stress. So, in order to solve the problem, first you must find the dimension of solid angle. Then only we can find which are the other quantities that has the same dimension of solid angle. Okay, what is solid angle? D omega is equal to dA by r square. The small area and divided by r square. What is the unit of area? Meter square. What is the unit of r? Meter. Then r square? Meter square. So meter square by meter square, they cancel. So what is the dimension, sir? It has no dimension. That is the reason. So it has a dimension. It is solid angle. The dimension of solid angle is m power 0, L power 0, T power 0. Then what are the other physical quantities that are given in the answer, which has no dimension? Let us consider the first option, strain. What is strain? dl by L. That means what? Change in length by original length. In the numerator, you have change in length for which the unit is meter. There is a dimension L by original length. That is also L. So L by L, 0. That is no mass, that is no time. So it also has a dimension m power 0, L power 0, T power 0. Similar to that of solid angle. Then angle. How do you find angle? Angle theta is equal to this length of the arc divided by radius. Length of the arc, let it be L, and radius R, L by R. What is the dimension of length? L. What is the dimension of R? It is also L. L by L, 0. It has no other dimension. So it has dimension m power 0, L power 0, T power 0. The very first answer happens to be the right one. So you need not work out for other options. So answer 1 is the right answer. Even if you consider this, what is the formula for stress? Force by area, Newton per meter. It has some dimensions. What is R? It has length. So it has some dimension, which is not equal to m power 0, L power 0, T power 0. And angular speed per second, omega is equal to radian per second. Is it not? Once again, says. So option 1 is the right answer. Okay. We will see some other question from this chapter in our next video. Till then, thank you one and all.